Hello, creative souls. Welcome back to Season Pickersz, the go-to place for all things creative. Today, we're diving into the heart of Photoshop, your workspace. Buckle up because we're about to optimize it for maximum efficiency and creativity. The first step in creating your dream workspace is customizing those panels. Click and drag to arrange them according to your workflow. Whether you're a retoucher, a designer, or a photographer, having the right panels at your fingertips is a game changer. See how easy it is to tailor your workspace to your needs. Now, let's move on to the next step. Did you know that Photoshop offers preset workspaces for different tasks? From photography to 3D printing, there's a workspace for everyone. Switching between them is like having a magic wand that transforms your Photoshop environment. Find the one that suits your current project, and watch your efficiency soar. Customize your toolbar to include only the tools you use most frequently. This not only declutters your workspace but also speeds up your workflow. With a streamlined toolbar, you'll have the right tools at your fingertips without the distraction of unnecessary gadgets. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce, keyboard shortcuts. Mastering these is like unlocking hidden powers. From selecting layers to changing brush sizes, shortcuts are your ticket to a faster and more fluid Photoshop experience. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever edited without them. But hey, your workspace is a personal reflection of your creativity. Don't be afraid to add a personal touch. Choose a background color or even upload an inspiring image as your workspace backdrop. It's the little things that make your creative haven truly yours. Your workspace is where magic happens, so make it a place you love to be. And there you have it, a guide to optimizing your workspace in Photoshop. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Photoshop mastery, and hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for tuning in to Season Pickersz. Until next time, keep creating, keep optimizing, and I'll catch you in the next video.